In this video we show how to open a camera with TIGR Vision. First, we'll create new references for the image and camera. Then, we will run in a loop the acquisition. Inside the loop, we will read the images from the camera and transfer them to the image with the read frame function. A way to display picture is to use the native LabVIEW picture display. To do this we will use image to picture function. Connect indicator. And close all references. That's it. Now we are ready to run the camera. Another way to display the camera is using the TIGR indicator. On the front panel, use the TIGR indicator. Connect it and that's it, we are ready to use the camera. Congratulations, you are now ready to open a camera with TIGR Vision Toolkit.